Drexler-Sibbet's team performance model provides organizations with a framework designed to understand team development. There are 7 steps in the Drexler-Sibbet team performance model. The first stage, orientation, is all about understanding your team's purpose and what it means to be a member of that team. During orientation, you'll assess why the team exists, what the members will expect of you, and what benefits you will gain from joining them. When orientation challenges are solved, the keys are team purpose, team identity, and a feeling of belonging. The second stage is trust building. Since team members will depend on each other for success, trust is directly related to the cooperation of the team to get a job done. When trust-building challenges are solved, the keys are mutual regard and reliability. Third is goal clarification. During the goal clarification stage, teams will need to perform research, develop a clear understanding of the required duties, and create agreements about specific goals and deliverables. When goal clarification challenges are solved, the keys are explicit assumptions, clear goals, and a shared vision. Fourth stage is commitment. The attention now moves to how exactly the team will accomplish its goals. They'll begin to commit to specific courses of action, make decisions about resource allocation, and clarify each member's role. When commitment challenges are solved, the keys are decision-making and assigned roles. The fifth stage is implementation. It involves sequencing and scheduling work over time. A visible strategy, schedule, and process help the team move confidently into action. When implementation challenges are solved, the keys are alignment, a clearly defined process, and disciplined execution. The sixth stage is high performance. The high performance stage is when a team masters its processes and starts to experience an ability to change and achieve its goals. When high performance challenges are solved, the keys are spontaneous interactions, synergy, and surpassing results. Seventh stage is renewal. This is the time to realize and understand that team performance is an ongoing process that must get renewed by returning to the first stage to reassess if the work is still worthwhile and needed. When renewal challenges are solved, the keys are celebration and recognition, managing change, and staying power.